Hi and welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this tutorial, we will learn about pair in C++. The pair container is a simple container consisting of two data elements or objects. The first element is referred as first and the second is referred as second, and the order is fixed, that is first, second. Pair is used to combine together two values which may be different in type. Pair provide a way to store two heterogeneous objects as a single unit. We can declare a pair like this in C++. To set the value for the pair, we can write pair name dot first equal to value 1 and pair name dot second equal to value 2. We can also initialize a pair like this by passing the initialized values in the parenthesis. We can also initialize it by using makePair function and by passing the values in the arguments. Let's run this code. We can see that the pair is initialized accordingly using all the three methods. To swap values from one pair to another, we can use the swap function. We can write pair1 dot swap and within parentheses the pair value to be swapped with. All kinds of comparisons like smaller than, greater than, not equal to, greater than equal to, smaller than equal to works for pairs as well. They work like this. They first compare the first value and then it compares the second value. Like here, the first value for the pair 1 is greater and second one is smaller. Let's run this code. We can see that pair 1 is greater than pair 2. This is because the first value is greater than the second value. For two pairs to be equal, both of the values should be equal to each other. So in this tutorial, we learnt about pairs in C++. We will continue learning more about C++ in the coming tutorials. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments in the comments section.